Hi, welcome to the galley. In the galley today, I'm going to make limoncello shrimp. Now we had a big day here on Still Away. If you're new to my channel, this is the galley in my book Still Away, and we have spent the last 3 years remodeling, rehabbing, and just making her ours and making her up to date. And today was our first shakedown cruise, and we had some ups and we had some downs, but at the end of the day, it was a great day, but we're super tired, and I just want to do a quick and easy dinner. And this is a quick and easy dinner. Now, I made this limoncello, I don't know, 3, 4 videos back, and I got to thinking about making a shrimp dish with it. Nice, bright lemon shrimp dish with some pasta. So let's get into it. I've got my big skillet heating up, waiting for that to come up to heat. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and probably about a tablespoon of olive oil. Just give that a swirl in there. What I'm going to put in here is a half of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and that's just really going to help bring this alive. But if you're a little sensitive, you can always cut back on the red pepper flakes or just omit them. And then I have a tablespoon of herbs de Provence. Now, herbs de Provence are kind of like our version of our Italian seasoning, but it is from the south of France, and it usually has lavender and fennel in it. It's pretty much kind of the herbs that grows naturally in that region. And when Julia Child wrote her book about French cooking, she did a chicken dish with herbs de Provence. And so back in the 70s, they started, after her cookbook came out, selling herbs de Provence in jars here in the States. And then I've got the zest of 1 lemon. And I want to do this first because I really want this just to waken all of those spices up in there. And just give this a minute to really let all of these things just kind of bloom and season this. And then I'm going to add that shrimp. And again, I have 1.5 pounds here. I'll kind of let them have their own little space in there. There's a tail I missed. Now, I think these were 21, 25 shrimp that I bought. So I'm just going to start flipping these, getting all that seasoning on both sides. And I'm not concerned about cooking these all the way through, because I'm going to pull them out and then we're going to put them back in once the sauce is made. But don't you think that looks beautiful, all those seasonings on there? We're going to get all of these flipped. I'm going to start pulling them out. Now, when you pull these out, put them on something big enough for them to have their own space, because you don't want to put them in a bowl where they're sitting on top, because they're going to keep cooking, and that's going to make the ones on the bottom overdone. So when you pull these out, let them have their own space. And again, they don't have to be fully cooked, but you want them about halfway done. The good thing about having shrimp for dinner is it cooks so fast. Now my shrimp are out. I'm going to add about 3 cloves of garlic. Got the juice from that 1 lemon. And I'm going to add 1 cup of our limoncello. And now we're going to let this reduce by half. So now I'm adding a 1/2 cup of cream to this to let that reduce with that limoncello, and that's just going to help this sauce thicken up have some body and actually have like a velvet kind of texture to it. I've got my water on for my pasta over here. I went for that linguine, and I went for that fresh pasta that you can find in the deli section and literally takes 2 minutes to cook. So my water is going to be ready for me to throw that pasta in. I did throw some salt in there to let that season up. Don't put oil in your pasta water because then it will coat your pasta and then your sauce will just slide right off. We don't want that. Now we're getting close to being done reducing. I'm going to add a little pepper. I'm using my pepper blend here so it's not so strong. If I wasn't using the blend, I would do white. I don't think I would do straight black pepper here. I think it'd be a little strong. And this herbs de Provence was gifted to me, which is why I thought, oh, this is a great way to use it. And it has sea salt in it. So I want to be careful about my salt. I don't want to make this too salty, but I'll just do a little pinch of kosher salt. So it's getting close and it's getting thick. And I am going to taste it just to make sure it does have enough salt in it. Oh boy. That is good. It is a little bit sweet and it's tart at the same time. And then those red peppers give you just a little kick. Oh, that's going to be delicious. Okay, so next we're going to slide these shrimp back in there. And this is going to go fast. Once we do that, I'm going to drop my pasta in there. So it's going to be ready for me. And then we're going to go. So here we go. We're going to drop this pasta back in there. And any juices that accumulated, we're going to let that finish cooking. I'm kind of going to push those to the side because I'm going to turn my heat off here because I want to mount some butter in here. And when you mount butter, you want to have cold butter, hot sauce, do it off of the stove. And this is going to help it emulsify and just going to make your sauce just glossy and beautiful. So I'm going to whisk that in there and just really make this lemon butter sauce. It's going to be delicious. And again, do this off the heat. There's enough heat in here to finish cooking these shrimp. Things falling over here. So how simple was that? Super quick, super easy, delicious dinner. So don't go anywhere because I'm going to put at the end of this video just a little bit of clip of Still Away, leaving the dog for the first time today in 3 or 4 years, baby. 4. So I'm going to put some pasta down. I'm going to top this with some shrimp. Oh, this is going to be delicious. Now, I think shrimp is one of Billy's absolute most favorite things, so he's going to be very happy with me tonight. So I just want to I'm going to twirl some of this pasta in here for us to taste. Oh, or I'm going to drop it back in there. Thank you guys for being here with me tonight. I hope you make this dish. It is so delicious. Even if you don't make your own limoncello, buy some limoncello and bake this dish. It is so delicious. Thank y'all for being here. And until next time, safe cruising.